guys, good morning. It's Friday. It's also 6:40 a.m. Awesome, we're out of the shower. Today I go to school from 8:30 to 2:45, so it's my longer day. But after I'm going to a waterfall and then having a sleepover. So this is gonna be a good day. Making the bed. Awesome, the bed is made. I'm gonna just start studying. First round of breakfast, oatmeal. Time for school, it's 8:07. 10-minute commute, made it to school.
Tomas! First day of school, I'm hyped.
You know it.
Sorry, it's actually the 13th day.
First period.
Oh, is this a video?
Yeah.
Will you take a picture of me?
I don't have a photo.
What do you mean?
Tener su espacio. Por momentos no, pero si yo estoy en mi espacio.
Go one wrong.
Todo mal.
Now we're watching some
No es si
movie.
ella de pronto se aleja de mí mientras...
Terminamos español.
Hey guys.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
You probably can't take pictures, right?
No.
Okay.
Hola el video.
Tiempo.
Torsten.
Tiempo para marine biology.
I'm ready to crush this day with my Falcon Spirit.
Marine bio. Time for IB math.
Good morning!
More of
Let's
an
go to
apple.
IB English!
Hey.
Hi!
What's up?
Yo!
You don't have to use the cursor, you can just type in a number if you know it's to the left or right.
Hackender and math. Time for more math notes. Sad.
We like hacking.
Okay, lunchtime. Time for our English. We have an English quiz today. Ethan, say hi.
Easy.
But if I was obsessed.
I said I would be obsessed with brake cleaner and TV blaster.
Hey!
Actually, I was just gonna guess that it was a perfume.
What'd you say?
Right, so we're doing some work, just connotating. So I'm just connotating my work.
Dean and Ben. She wrote Dean and Ben. Yeah. And like, if I really wanted to, I could get it out of Ethan. But, like,
2:45, we're out of school. Stop it.
Famous.
So my camera just died, but oh my gosh, I got sushi. Oh, it's so yummy. Alright guys, we made it to the parking lot. Alright, we're gonna go. My battery says it's gonna die. Yay, it works again. Okay, we made it to the spot, and we're gonna go. I'm so hungry, so I bought some food. Heading down. Heading down. It's like a 2-minute walk, maybe. It's like sheer cliff. You can't tell me this is absolutely peak. We went swimming. It's so nice out. Oh!
He's sleeping on the very top part.
I bet we running like home or something.
The iPhone. What do you do?
After a long day of work, relaxing in the tub. Alright, so I'm sleeping right there, and Max is sleeping up there.
Subscribe to my channel.